Yo, what's going on, people? I go by the name of Mr. Marquis, my grandma's favorite grandson, if you didn't know. And welcome to the Lace Check, where we just don't rock kicks, we dissect them. This is a new channel where we're going to be going through different shoes, we're going to be reviews, news, lots of different things, so stay tuned. Today we're kicking off with the OG, the Jordan 1 85 Bred. Classic, iconic, and a must-have. Or is it? Stick around because we're breaking it all down. Materials, fits, history, whether these deserve a spot in your rotation. So let's get it. Alright, let's take it back to 1985. Michael Jordan was the rising star, and Nike dropped the original Air Jordan 1 Bred colorway. Straight up rebellious. So as we all know, the NBA tried to ban them, and MJ rocked them anyway. And the rest is sneaker history. Fast forward to today, and we have the 2025 release of the Jordan 85 Bred. But does it live up to the OG? Let's talk build quality. First things first, when you get them, you'll see this isn't your standard Jordan 1. Nike went back to the original 85 mold. Tailor cut, beefier shape, stiffer leather, which we all know, and a more structured fit. The leather, oof, premium, thick, built to crease, like a true 85 should. These don't just look classic, but they feel classic. Now let's talk about the fit. So if you've worn a Jordan 1, you'll know that these are gonna feel a bit different. It's stiffer because they've gone for more of a premium leather. I wouldn't say premium leather, but more of a premium leather than we're used to. So that's gonna take time to break in. So when they really crease, they're gonna really show character. And it's gonna take a minute. So don't panic. You might get a little pinch in the little toe, but it's gonna balance out. So talking about the fit, for these, I went true to size. I'm a US 12 or a UK 11, but I could have gone for 11.5, but they were just a little tight. The length was good, but it was a little tight, so I wanted to have a bit more comfortability while I break them in. Remember, these are not Yeezys, so they're not just comfortable straight out of the box. This is a shoe that you're gonna have to break in. So now you've got them, the main important thing is you've got to rock them. So how are we rocking them? So me, I'll go for the jeans, cargos, shorts. Pretty much you can go with almost anything with these. I think they're just a classic style, classic shape. It just works with anything. And with these as well, black and red, you can dress them up, dress them down. You might even catch me wearing them with a suit. You never know. But you know, the number one thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to flip the laces and try and make them a bit more my own style. Out of the box, they come straight away with the black and red laces. But you know I'm gonna try flip them. My gut is telling me to go for the icy whites. So flip an icy white lace in these, easy to match with the midsole. Or go for something even a bit different, put a pine green lace in there, just to give a little bit of flavor. You can go for the varsities or the universities, but that's too easy. Or maybe even a gray. Once they get really beaten, I think gray lace, nice neutral gray color coming soon. That one will go in super nice with these. So who are these for? So if you're a collector or a fan of the OG Jordans, this is just a no-brainer. Everyone needs a Bred in their collection. I've got a couple up there, but yeah, everyone needs a Bred in their collection. And even if you're just a fan, it's just a classic shoe. The colorway just kind of goes with everything. It's just an easy cop, easy wear. And just to have this in your collection, it's amazing. But if you're getting these just for a comfortable shoe to wear all day, every day, this may not be the shoe. This is not a day-to-day walk around, not yet anyway. Once this leather gets a little softer, once you've broken it in, maybe then, but right now, if you're looking to go hiking or something like that, I wouldn't advise these. But either way, this is a certified classic and it's a must cop for anyone to have in their collection. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you're feeling the content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Jordan 85 Bred, how comfortable it is, how long it's taken for you to break them in. Let me know if you're copping them. Also, let me know what sneakers you want me to review next. Once again, I'm Mr. Marquis, and this is the Lace Check, where your sneakers get verified. See you on the next one. Peace.